Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. And this is what exactly we were talking about for the last 3 or 4 trading session. We have been telling there is a loss of momentum, markets are likely to come down or markets are likely to consolidate, and people were trolling me. See, this is what happens. This is how DIIs or FIS trap you. You imagine what would have happened to people would have written puts and puts seeing the gap ups every day. For the last 7 trading session, market has been inching up. Seeing this, retailers would have gone in, they would have gone long, and DIS and FIS, when retailers go long and DIS and FIS go short. This is what happens, right? And let me show you some data, and this was shared by one of our members in our telegram group. And see here, this was yesterday's data, and apart from clients, DIAs were bearish, FIAs were bearish, pro traders were proprietary desk or pro traders were bearish. Everybody were bearish, and only retail people, only you and me, were bullish. This is what happens to the market. This is how you lose money in the market. There is no where there is positive or negativity here. You have to use your mind, right? So that is what is happening here. And what do you think will happen tomorrow? Now they have taken the weaker hands from the market. Now they will take the market upside. Probably, I'm not saying it is going to go on the upside. Probably there are chances that the market will be on the sideways or on the upper side, slightly 300-400 points, right? Now yesterday I told 18,350 should sustain. We have to sustain above 18,350 levels, but we managed to close below 18,350, and I think we closed somewhere around 18,200 levels, right? So if you see it in a candlestick perspective, and let me show you to the let me take you to the chart. Yes, if you see this one, if you see this one, if the market is not able to sustain this fall, or if it wants to go on the downside, the next stop would probably be on the 18,000. So 18,000 should be on the support, and on the upside, now that 18,600 should be a good resistance now. So probably we should be seeing sideways or consolidation going forward, and as usual, today is a Wednesday, volatility is really high, and tomorrow is the expiry, so we should see a calm expiry. That's what I am expecting, because I have written some strategies, so expiry day strategies, and I want to make money, so I am telling that market should be calm. So it is not necessary, it is not like that, right? It is not that market should behave what I think. So that's what is happening in the market. So as I told you, as we expected, markets are range bound or consolidating, and I think bull run is going to be stopping now. From last year to date, I've told this many times, and I'm telling you now also, from year to date, last year to date, Dow Jones have gone up by 17 or 16% only, but we have crossed more than 23%. That's a really high valuation considering the inflation and other concerns we are having. We cannot keep on moving like this, right? So you have to keep this in mind and trade cautiously. And even though we are telling we have to be cautious in the coming days, now for some time I think 18,600 should be a good resistance, and we should be consolidating. And markets moving in one direction is not good at all. You have to remember this. Market moving up, then consolidating for around 3 or 5%, then moving up is really good. For last 7-8 months, for the last 1 year, market is moving in only one direction. That's not a really good thing. I always wanted to want the market to be consolidating, then move on the further side. That's how the market works. It's a cyclical market, right? Markets are cyclical. You cannot keep on going in one direction. So when we talk markets moving in one direction, let me tell you, market moving in one direction is good. You can make money. Market is going up or down you can make money, or sideways also you can make money. Two-way, three-way move like this, what happened today or what is happening for the last 2 or 3 trading session, it is very hard to make money, right? But it doesn't mean I didn't make money. Anyway, we will see how much we made money in the end of this month. So let's see how things pan out. And as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green. Dow Jones is flat, really flat. S&P futures are flat, and Nasdaq is flat. And you know what will happen to this open interest data? As you can see here, there's a aggressive call rating from 18,300 all the way till 18,600, and Bank Nifty same thing. So everybody is now shorting the market. Earlier everybody was going long in the market, and immediately now everybody is shorting the market. And if you see what took the market on the upside, or like what tracked the market on the downside, Hindalco, Titan, Hindustan Unilever, BPCL, Bajaj Finserv, all were market draggers. And FIA data, I've been telling that, right? Now if you see the FIA data, cash provision, massive selling by DAIs and FIIs. Usually what happens is, right, when DAIs selling, FIIs buy, but this time yesterday the FIIs were not net buyers. In fact, they were net sellers. They have sold for around 505 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 2,578 crores. And tomorrow also I believe, today also I believe both would have sold heavily, or neither of them would have sold heavily. So this is how they play with us. This is how they play with retailers, and they will tear you apart and take away the money. This system is like that. We cannot blame anyone. This system is designed for FIIs, DIIs, or HNIs, or professional traders. It is not designed for retail people. That is why whether you go to your exchange or SEBI, everyone wants retail people. They put all kind of restrictions on retail people only, because this system is not designed for retail people. It is designed for FIIs and DIIs. You and me are the goat here. Whatever you do, whatever you think, you are likely 99% you will go wrong. That's why that's why they want us here. That's why they want us here, and they want our money. They do all kind of tricks, and they do all kind of tactics to take our money. And many people were telling that retail people are going to take the market on the upside. Where they are going to take? One day sell of DIIs and FIIs, all retailers are gone. They have gone now. See how much would they have lost? Everybody would have lost, right? So even I also lost substantially, but there is nothing we can do about this, right? Markets are market. We have to travel along with the market. We'll see how things pan out. And tomorrow is an expiry. I should as I told you, we should expect a calm expiry, and all FIA, all US are flat. And yesterday, if you see, in spite of US being on the green, actually Dow futures closed in the green. It was around 350 points on the positive note. Still Nifty was bearish. Only Nifty was bearish, but Bank Nifty was not bearish. Bank Nifty was kind of sideways, and I think people are bullish on Bank Nifty. We'll have to wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. So tomorrow should be a calm day. That's what I expect. So this is the third time I am saying that. It's okay, fine. So let's see how things pan out. So nothing to talk much. I think we should be going good this month. So let's see. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.